Hey, this is Brian Beckcom. As many of you may know, my firm does a lot of work for people that work in the marine industry, people that work on oil rigs, drilling ships, other types of vessels, both ocean-going vessels and vessels that are in the Mississippi River. And we've been monitoring a really dangerous situation lately. There's something like 100 Shell employees are stranded on a drill ship because the company decided not to evacuate them out of the path of the hurricane. I mean, this is the most ridiculous thing ever. We've seen this before. Matter of fact, we had a case years ago where same deal, company was completely and totally negligent, didn't evacuate their employees. Somebody ended up dying. They ended up drowning. And so what is Shell doing? Like, what are they thinking? Why would they do this? Well, there's really no reason at all. None, zero. Other drill ships were reported out there. They're able to move. They're able to hightail it. They get out of the way of the hurricane. So why wouldn't Shell do that? Pure negligence. That's the only thing I can think of. They've literally got 100 men riding out a hurricane on a drill ship that's not designed to be in the middle of a hurricane. According to some reports, the ship is taking on water. It's been rocking back and forth. There's been something like 80-foot waves, 150-mile-an-hour winds, and these men are having to go through this for no reason whatsoever. I mean, I've seen pictures of overturned lockers, gym equipment. I mean, this is dangerous. Not only could people die, but they could also get hurt really badly. The ship rocking back and forth, there's no telling what'll happen. So I don't really know why a company would do this other than just pure unadulterated negligence, but it is what it is. And so, we're going to continue to monitor this situation. Hopefully all the men and women on the ship will be fine. I mean, Shell, they're already releasing press reports saying everybody's okay. Well, how do you even know that when the ship's still stranded out there? So in any event, we'll be monitoring this situation. And to the extent necessary, we may be called on to investigate this situation if anything bad happens. Like I said, hopefully nothing bad will happen, but this is just a really good example of how companies make really bad decisions for no reason other than the bottom line.